सेंट एंथनीचे अवशेष आशिल्ल्या प्रतिमेचे दर्शनाचो आयतारा निमाणो दीस 3 दीस जाले ही प्रतिमा दर्शना खातीर गोंयभर भोंवली। सेंट एंथनीची प्रतिमा इटली सावन गोंयांत हाडल्या। आयतारा ती निमाणे नावेली चर्चीत दर्शनाक दवरिल्ली। मिरेकल वर्कर म्हूण सेंट एंथनीची वळख। 800 वर्सां फाटीं खंय ताणें समाजा खातीर चमत्कारी वावर केला। गोंयांत 3 लाख क्रिस्तांवांनी तांचे अवशेषाचें दर्शन घेतलें।
म्हाका जाय ती संत एंथनी जाय ती मिलाग्री मेवला। म्हाका जाय ती आचार्यां तेजे म्हाका उपकार जाय तो मेवला तेजे।
Saint Anthony, he's helped me a lot and he's my saint.
There are 13 miracles done by Saint Anthony and people are hoping that the 14th miracle will be definitely happen.
Sant Antonín आमी नोमान कोत्ताना आमी जेजूक आर्गां दिताव कित्याक ताणें असलो भाग्यवंत आमचे पवित्र सभेक फावो केलो।
Wonderful. My name is also Anthony, so it's a privilege to be here and hope Anthony blesses us and entire state.
बरें दिसलें तिका पळोवन आनी खूब खुशालकाय भोगली हिंगा येवन आमकां।
आमच्या गोंयकारांक हें एक व्हडलें भाग कित्याक आमकां पयलेच फावट हो रॅलीक इटलीक सावन आमकां गोंयांत येवन ताचो उमो घेवंक मेवला आनी म्हाका दिसता म्हजें हांवें कितें मागलेलें तें म्हाका मेवतलें म्हूण।
ही खुशालकाय आनी दादोसपण ह्या लोकांची ती घरा वेताना खरेंच ती खुशालकायेन वेतात आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा संत आंतोनी भाशेन आपलें जिवीत खालतें करूंक ती वावुरतली। संत आंतोनी भाशेन देवाचें उतर वाचूंक शिकूंक आनी परगटूंक ती ओतरकतली।
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या कांय सरभोंवतणीच्यो खबरो।
आदलो आमदार आनी मंत्री आवेर्तान फुतारदोन आपल्या वाडदिसा निमतान नावेली गरजवंतांक मोफत वखलां दिल्यात। सुमार 300 लोकांक ताणें वखलां वाटली।
Outcome of the camp was like I had nearly 300 people coming for the camp and I have given free glasses to each and every member. So on my birthday this is the 4th time I am having this camp.
तशेंच रोजरी हायर सेकंडरी सॅनिटरी पॅड इन्सिनरेटरूय दिला।
I have set up an incinerator in a higher secondary. That's a Rosary Higher Secondary. I had promised the principal that I will give it to them, but today I have managed to fulfill my promise. And it is the first in Goa. This incinerator is first in Goa to be installed in any institute. I feel that very soon I'll be giving the college section, then the school section, then our Perpetual Succor Convent. They also, because there are a lot of girl students in this institute.
हरमल पंचक्रोशी हायस्कुलान नासाचो विज्ञानीक विठ्ठल तिळवेन एक्सप्लोरिंग युनिवर्साचेर भुरग्यांक व्याख्यान दिलें।
Pour water, it will form just bubbles like this, and then you have to catch the bubbles and not drink it, eat it. Basically, you have to catch and eat. Because we are born talented. So kids are they born talented, born curious, and we keep that curiosity. That's like सांगपाक शकता. आणि दुसरं म्हटल्यार की what I talk is there is no physical limitation. So आमी चडशे फावट आमकां दिसता की चडशी आमची physical limitations आहा, physical problem. चडशी limitations आहा ती only mental. आणि जर आमकां ती mental एकदां कळ्ळें की आमकां limitation physical ना न्ही कसले problem solve करपाक कांय difficulty नासता. So by birth we are talented. By birth we are curious. सगळ्यांक जातनाच टॅलंट डिफॉल्ट आसता, क्युरियोसिटी डिफॉल्ट आसता. सगळे भुरगे त्या खातीरूच जातनाच क्वेश्चन विचारीत रावता. फक्त आमी जशें जशें मातशें व्हडले जाता तशें तशें क्वेश्चन विचारपाची शक्ती कमी जाता कित्याक चडशें म्हणटा मागीर चड क्वेश्चन विचारप ना अदरवायज आमी जातना सगळेच क्युरियस आसतात.
रायची रोड सेफ्टी मॅनेजमेंट कमिटी आनी राया पंचायतीन गांवकार हायर सेकंडरीच्या भुरग्यांक रोड सेफ्टीचेर कार्यशाळा दवरिल्ली.
As you all know that the number of accidents and accidental death in Goa or all over the country is rising, and it is very important for all of us to respect road safety rules and behave in a disciplined way when behaving on a public road. So it is my request to the students to follow the proper traffic rules and keep themselves disciplined while behaving on public road. They must understand that all the traffic rules are meant for their safety. It is meant for their safe return home. I would request the students to wear helmet, drive within the permissible speed limits, don't use mobile phone while driving, don't overtake dangerously. They should inform their family members or the neighbors who are indulging driving under the influence of alcohol. Please tell them to keep away alcohol.
Bureau report, Prudent.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.